In 2020, I sent out 300 job applications in Germany and I got rejected almost by everyone. Today, I'm an IT technician at one of the Germany's top companies and I'm offering a completely free 2-week training program for up to 20 people only for this cohort that gets you ready for real IT jobs here. And after 2 weeks, I will recommend you to my company. 90% of people I have trained through this program got hired. Let me show you exactly how it works. My name is Sirat. I came to Germany as a foreigner with no EU work experience a few years ago. No network and no idea what German companies actually wanted. I know the struggle. You are qualified, motivated, maybe even have certifications, but your CV gets ignored because you don't have local experience. Here's the truth. German IT companies don't just want technical skills. They want someone who understands their tools, their workflow, and can communicate professionally from day one. Most importantly, the companies often hire candidates who come recommended through existing employees. This is a common practice here in Germany and the EU, and it is completely legal. That's exactly the goal of this program, because I am mentoring you for 2 weeks and then recommending you to the company that I'm working and to my networks. Right now, my company is actively hiring IT support technicians, network engineers, cybersecurity professionals, including many other positions in multiple German cities, including Berlin, München, Frankfurt, Hamburg, Stuttgart, Cologne. The list is very long and I cannot name them all because every day new positions are opened and some are of course closed. And I've created a free 2-week online mentorship to prepare you for these exact positions. This mentorship program that I have for 2 weeks is going to prepare you for these open positions that we have. Here's what happens. During these 2 weeks, I will do my best to help you learn everything to get a position in my company. I'm not going to teach you IT, so the expectation is that you know something. So week 1 is technical foundation. I will guide you through the real world IT troubleshooting, login issues, printers, and daily IT tickets that we have, which are going to be asked during the interview. Secondly, tools. I will introduce you the daily tools that we use, like Active Directory, the ticketing system, remote desktops, VPN, and other necessary things. Third, professional communication in English and German workplace, the context, the writing reports, and what level is really required. Week 2, we will work on job application sprint. So I personally review and optimize your CV for German companies and specifically for my own company, and I know what the demand is. We will do mock interviews and create real scenarios from my daily work and past experiences to help you nail the interview. Direct application submission to my company's HR team at the end of the 2nd week. So we waste no time, as I want you to land into a job as soon as possible. So during these 2 weeks, I will do my best and I will prepare you. And I will also give you a roadmap for what to learn next until the interview, so that you can keep growing after this 2-week program that we have, because that doesn't mean that everything stops here. And I will give you a guideline that will help you along the way. So we will have a total of around 5 online sessions going through everything and reviewing your CV. So everything is online and completely free. If this resonated with you, please like and subscribe. Yes, really. Do it now, please. That helps me a lot with the algorithms. You might be wondering, why would you do this for free? Fair question. Here's the honest answer. My company offers a referral bonus when I recommend someone who gets hired. But that's not what I'm doing this for. I only get that bonus if you actually succeed, when you are actually hired, which means I am motivated to give you the absolute best training possible during these 2 weeks so that you are a successful candidate. I've already run this program twice. Out of 20 people I trained, 18 got job offers. That's 90% success rate. Happened because I didn't just refer anyone. So I make sure you are genuinely prepared. When I started, nobody helped me. It took me 8 months of struggle to figure out what I'm going to teach you in just 2 weeks. Why I'm not just referring you directly to my company? Why bother myself for 2 weeks of helping you, and why bother you and take your time? Because it didn't work. I referred people directly, they couldn't nail the interview. First, I do not know you, so why should I recommend you? Second, although you might be qualified, but you do not know what my company wants and needs. That's why I tailor your CV and prepare you during the mock interviews. Thirdly, I really recommend you to those posts that I know you have a winning chance by knowing you during these 2 weeks. If you think what I'm doing is worth a like and subscribe, please like it and subscribe. Yes, do it now. That helps me a lot with the algorithms. This program is for you if you have a beginner level IT knowledge. You don't have to be an IT expert. You can commit to 5 live sessions in 1 week and then another week for CV preparation and submitting your CV. The sessions will be like 1 hour maximum every day. You are legally allowed to work in Germany. You have work visa or Chancenkarte visa, blue card or EU citizenship or any other relevant work permit or situation that you can work. You can communicate in English and speak at least B1 German level, which is the minimum requirement working here in IT field in Germany. What you need most, discipline and genuine motivation. I'm taking time away from my family to run this. If you are serious, I'm all in. Here's how to join. Comment below with these 3 things. Your current city in Germany, or if you are planning to move here or there in that city. Second, your current IT experience level, beginner, some knowledge, career changer, whatever it is. Third, 1 sentence, why do you want to work in IT in Germany? I will personally reply to every comment with the next training start date and detailed instructions. The next group starts in a couple of weeks, so comment now to secure your post. Spots are limited to 20 individuals because I review every CV personally and it takes a lot of time to review them, revise, comment, and sometimes write the whole CV together. That means I am looking for quality more than quantity in this case and this cohort. Even if you are not working in this company, you will probably have a winning CV by the end of the program. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. Starting an IT career in Germany as a foreigner is challenging. You will need to study, practice, and push yourself. But if I could do it, coming here with 0 connections and broken German, you absolutely can do it too. The difference is you won't have to figure it out all alone. In 2 weeks, you will have a professional CV that actually gets interviews, hands-on knowledge of tools German companies use, real interview practices with someone who works in the industry, a direct application to open positions at major company or companies. This is not a magic solution. It is a real opportunity. If you are watching this video, you are already ahead of where I started 5 years ago. You have taken the first step. Now take the second one, comment below the questions I asked, hit the like button and help me with the algorithms, and I will respond to you soon. Let's start your IT career in Germany together. Maybe we will be colleagues just like my other mentees who work together in one team with me. And if you want to see what an IT technician's daily work actually looks like, check out my new video, A Day in Life of an IT Technician in Germany, in the top right corner or on the screen. Subscribe for updates on the next training groups, job market tips, and real advice for building your tech career here. I will see you in the comments. Let's do this. If you have any further questions or clarifications, feel free to write it in the comments below.